So I hit a new high weight this morning of 182.6, and we're gonna hit a little push workout today. As always, I'm starting things out with a Y raise. I'm doing these lying again. I think I'm gonna switch this for the standing Y raise. I'm gonna see how that goes, see how I like it. The lying Y raise, I don't know, it just feels a little weird to do in the gym, and I understand that if you wouldn't want to do it either. So I'm gonna switch to standing. Single arm, gonna try to brace with the arm that's not being used so that I can get a little bit more steady, because that's the problem with doing it standing, is it's not as steady as doing it on the ground. And my top set here is 90 pounds, so 45 on each arm for 10 reps. And I always make sure to get some partials at the end. So you see me rep them out here. That's just to finish off my shoulders. Now, I specifically took the pump cover off for this next set because I wanted to see my rear delts and see how this is working. This is a row, but this is a rear delt row. I am trying to isolate my rear delts on this row. It's not a full back row. So basically, I'm trying to pin my shoulders back the whole time, and I'm just trying to move my upper arm as far back as I can and sort of just move the handles right into my shoulders. And if you do that correctly, it focuses the entire row in your rear delt instead of all over your back. I hit 3 sets here. The top set was 200 pounds for 12 reps. On to the big movement of the day, which is Smith machine incline bench press. I do hit a new PR today. I get 8 reps with 2 plates on each side, which is a brand new PR for me. Now, even though it is a PR, you can see I'm not quite touching my chest on this. I need to focus more on, basically on the way down, it's almost like a lat pull down, like you're on the cable lat pull down machine. You need to pull it into your chest while keeping your chest up. So that's something I need to improve on for next time. Then we move on to my favorite chest machine, and you can see I'm using the gym pin. I'm actually putting the 10 on top of a stack of 250. So it's 250 plus the gym pin itself, which is about 5 pounds, plus the 10-pound plate. And I also hit my top set here for 10 reps, which is pretty good. You can see I pretty much go to complete failure on this thing. It feels really nice. So the whole time I'm doing this, I'm actually trying to keep my chest flexed the whole time. I'm even thinking about flexing my chest when I'm in the bottom of the movement. Straight into this machine pec fly, I did 120 pounds for 10 reps on this one. And you can see I go until failure, like I do full partial reps until I barely can move the weight. Same cue as on the last machine. Basically, I'm just thinking about having my chest flexed the whole time. Even when I'm being stretched, I'm thinking about trying to flex my chest and keeping it up and proud. And then when you squeeze your arms together, just think about shortening the chest as much as possible. Don't think about touching the hands together. All you want to do is focus on the chest. If you actually keep your chest proud and you shorten it as much as possible, bring the biceps into the side as much as possible, your hands should not touch. Dumbbell side laterals are next, using the 35s in each hand. I count this set as 10 full reps, although it's a little bit fuzzy when a full rep ends and when a partial rep begins. I just go until I literally can't move them anymore. Not going straight out to the sides, I do have them angled a little bit in front of me just to keep my shoulders feeling good. Now, I do a back off set here, and on the back off set, I actually do a drop set. So I'll do all the way till partials are failure, and then I'll drop down and do another set all the way until I barely can move them again after that. After the side laterals, I move on to triceps, and I start with this push down. If I had to pick one exercise to work my triceps for the rest of my life, it would probably be this push down. It's the one I feel the best. I have 60 pounds selected here. I hit that for 10 reps on my top set. Doing 3 sets total here, and the last one is a double drop set, so I'll drop twice. Same rep and set scheme on this overhead press. You see I'm using the D handles. I'm not wrapping my hand the whole way around it. Basically, I'm using the D handles to push my pinky side of my hand into the D handle as much as I can. I hit about 50 pounds for 7 reps here. And then that's the end of my workout. Thanks for watching.